Now, if you're still trading the 5-minute chart and you're constantly losing, I can guarantee you this. Most likely, it's not your strategy. And what the problem may actually be, it's your entries. And most beginners, they never realize this. So in this video, we're literally going to be refining how you enter these trades. So let's just keep this simple. The number one mistake that beginner traders make is rushing their entries. If you rush to get in to a trade before structure is clear, your highest probability of losing is going to be 100%. Now, as a beginning trader, you have to understand that you've got to wait for the pullback. And many of you are not even waiting for price to pull back into a structure before you get in. You're just jumping in before structure is even clear. Clarity is everything in this trading game. Don't rush your entries because entering too early equates multiple stop loss hits. Now let's get on the charts. Let me show you this because you have to see what it looks like. All right, so let me show you. Look at this. Price moves really fast. You see that? You know what's happening right here in this fast movement? Beginners begin to chase price. All right? Market pulls back. Stop loss gets hit. Then price goes where they expected it to actually go. So you have to understand that the market doesn't reward speed, it rewards patience. Patience is the name of the game. Every problem has a solution, even in this trading game. So here's the fix that changed everything for me. It's a simple rule. It's literally no pullback, no entry. No pullback, no entry. Say it with me. No pullback, no entry. Get that in your brain. Repeat it as many times as you need to so that you see it when you go on the charts, right? Literally, you need to wait for price to pull back because price always pulls back. Once it pulls back, then you get the opportunity to enter, and of course you've got a beautiful setup. So wait for that pullback. Be patient. Now, alongside the idea of waiting for the pullback, I want you to understand something very important. You need to allow the 5-minute candle to close. Your confirmation candle must be a closed candle, right? When we're looking for confirmation candles, we love to see bullish engulfing candles. We love to see wick rejections at key levels. But ideally speaking, you want the candle to close. The information is not solid until the candle closes. Remember that. Now, the next thing that you want to understand is that you simply enter after you have been given the confirmation. Don't hesitate. You've been waiting for it. Just get it. Once the confirmation shows up, it's your time to execute, right? Don't bother second guessing, ifing and butting. You just get in and you execute because you've got the data to prove that, listen, this is the highest probability opportunity right at this level. Now I've got confirmation. Don't second guess. Don't doubt. Just get it. Now, I want you to fully understand this because a lot of beginners have the expectations of living in the market. Now, I believe that trading should be something that does not take your entire day. It means that you don't have to live in the market to be paid, right? Here's the truth. The quantity of trades that you take doesn't give you more money. In fact, if you take more setups, there's a higher probability chance of you losing more money, right? Remember, it's a probability game. You want to focus your expectations on quality over quantity. The highest probability opportunity is what you're waiting for. Once you get that, you have the ability to take 1, 2, walk away, be done for the day, right? Keep it simple, keep it clean, keep it profitable. That's your goal. You want to understand that you want to keep your psychology intact. You don't want greed to creep in. You don't want fear to overcome you. So make sure when you get the opportunity, you execute and you be done for the day, you walk away. So right now, I just want to connect with the scalper on the other side of the screen. And I want you to understand that scalping can be really profitable, but it requires discipline. It requires discipline to know when to walk away. It requires discipline to know when to execute and when to remain patient. It requires discipline to know how to identify the highest probability opportunity. It requires discipline for you to manage your emotions. So I need you to understand this. You will be a profitable scalper, but develop the rules and the systems that you need to put in place to protect you from you. Because self-sabotaging is real, and I've been there. I've been there because I understand what it was like to not have money. I understand what it's like to see the dream and want it to come to fruition quicker. But the truth is, you've got to execute the right way because the market rewards those who are disciplined, those who follow the process. So I've given these process to you, follow them. Because you know what's even worse? You taking these impulse setups or you taking these emotional setups during the London session. That's worse because that's oftentimes a disaster that you don't even see coming as a beginning trader. I want you to understand that the London session often comes with a major trap, right? And it's a trap for those impatient traders. It's a trap for those traders who don't understand patience, right? So what I've done, I've prepared a lovely video for you, and it's literally going to educate you on the London session trap. Especially if you're a London trader, don't trade the London session again until you've watched this video. And I'll see you as soon as you hit play.